Good evening to all. ஜீரோனா எல்லாரும் ஏழனமா நினைக்காங்க. அதோட வேல்யூ எவ்வளோ தெரியுமா? அதை பற்றி தான் நாங்கள் இப்போ ஒரு நாடகம் நடிச்சு காட்ட போகிறோம். ஹாய், மை நேம் இஸ் அல்லனஸ். ஐ எம் ஸ்டடியிங் 5th standard. I am number 0. 0 is a whole number and integer but not necessary. A natural number at neither positive nor negative.
Hi, my name is G. Garnasri. I am studying 5th standard. I am a mathematician. Hi, my name is Sabrina Mumtaz. I am studying 3rd standard. I am number 1. I am the first number, so I am the best.
Hi, my name is Abdul Hasan. I am studying 10th standard. I am a number 2. 2 is one even same number. You have 2 eyes, 2 hands, 2 legs, and 2 kidneys. So I am the best.
Hi, my name is Mahmoud Faiz. I study in 4th standard. I am year number 3. In our national flag have only 3 colors: faith, hope, and charity. May be likened to the 3 eggs of a stool. So I am the best.
Hi, I am Abdullah Yaqub. I am studying 5th standard. I am number 4. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Parts of the earth experience each season one each year. Cardinal direction are north, south, east, and west. So I am the best.
Hi, good evening. My name is Muhammad Afeed. I am studying 5th standard. I am number 5, the 5 kingdom of living things: animals, plants, protists, fungi, and monera. The major landforms on earth: mountains, valleys, plateaus, and plains. So I am the best.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Ashad. I study in 4th standard. I am number 6. Human have 6 days that always and hearing, touch, smell, and taste. The 6 days in our sweet, sour, salt, spicy, better and Australian. So I am the best. Hi friends, my name is Suhina Sahar. I am studying 5th standard. I am number 7. The 7 wonders of the world are a group of places around the world that are considered to be of great importance: the Great Wall of China, the Taj Mahal, Petra, the Colosseum, Crystal Redeemer, Machu Picchu, Chichen Itza, the 7 colors of rainbow, the 7 continents of the world, the 7 liberal arts, the 7 days of weeks, the 7 seas, and 7 கடல் வளர்கள். So I am the best.
Hi, my name is Sam Sayi. I am studying 5th standard. I am number 8. 8 is an example of 8 things. Is a octagon, octopus, spider. The solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So I am the best. Hi friends, my name is Muhammad Adil. I am studying 5th standard. I am number 9. Avatna is a combination of 9 precious gemstones, ruby, diamonds, blue sapphire, yellow sapphire, emerald, red coral, pearl, cat's eye, and gold. Navaja means 9 emotions. 9 emotions are love, laughter, sorrow, anger, fear, disgust, wonder, peace. So I'm the best.
I am zero. Hello, I am a mathematician. I have played games with maths. Why are you crying? They have laughed at me. I have no value. I have no value. Yes, zero. You also have value. Let me show you. Okay, ma'am. One, please come here. Zero, you please stand left side of one. Now what is it? Two, please come here. Zero, you please stand left side of two. Now what is it? 9, please come here. Zero, you please stand left side of 9. Now what is it? 7, please come here. Zero, you please stand left side of 7. Now what is it? 6, please come here. Zero, you please stand left side of 6. Now what is it? 8, please come here. Zero, you please stand left side of 8. Now what is it? 3, please come here. Zero, you please